So la ngizoshaya i-Kipo Sale Orlando Pirates edition. Zoqala ngabo goalkeepers. Ko goalkeepers no Ethan Visagie, Bayanda Zulu, Siphamandla Gumedo, Umelu Sibuthelezi benosipho Chayini. U-Ethan Visagie ulo goalkeeper lo sathanda kumthenga oyi-colored kwi-club yakwi-Motsepe Foundation. uBayanda Zulu usuka le kwi-club yakwi-DDC. uSiphamandla Gumedo ugoalkeeper esamthenga last season. Mase kuba noMelu Sibuthelezi noSipho Chayini. I think udladla labambalanga kunogoalkeeper kuthiwa udladla nawo sathanda kusuka kwi-DDC. Lana ngingakhipha uSipho Chayini, ngimkhiphe uMelu Sibuthelezi, ngimdayise uSiphamandla Gumedo because I haven't seen much of uSiphamandla Gumedo. Yize samthenga last season, samlona samisa kwi-loan, but angikhumbuli ngizwa lukhulu ngaye yabo, ngizwe ukuthi mhlambe kukhona asekwenzile, mhlambe ngamisa kwi-loan yabo beno Ethan Visagie ngibayise kwi-loan because ukhona uMelu Sibuthelezi, khona uDladla, khona uSipho Chayini noZulu. Mase kuthi kuma defenders wethu uOlisa Ndange ngamkhipha, Dion Hotto ngamkhipha, Nkosinathi Sibisi ngamkhipha, ngamkhipha, Paseka Mako Innocent Mayela. I think I would sell Innocent Mayela bafethu. I know he is a good asset for Orlando Pirates, but looking at ama players ways right now, I think position yakhe we are more covered yabo, but more people bazophikisana nami, but mina ngokwami I would sell uInnocent Mayela. Neminyaka yakhe uyayibona isiyamasha kakhulu manje, and we have more defenders adlala isikhala sidlalayo yabo. I would sell uBandile Shando. Reason why I would sell uBandile Shando uyi-injury prone. And njengoba i-injury prone mwasubheka abadlala kwi-position yakhe futhi uBandile Shando. Njengoba sinoLibito, sinomonyane, sibe nayo futhi uVan Rooyen. So we cannot have ama-defenders ayi-4 adlala endaweni eyodwa. So uBandile Shando ngamdaya. Mase siba noDion Van Rooyen, sibe nayo futhi uSandile Mthetho, ngabakhipha bawu-2. Mase siza ngama-midfielders, sibe noKarim Kimvuidi. I would keep uKarim Kimvuidi even though uKarim Kimvuidi i-performance yakhe ingekho yinhle lately, but I will keep him because ngiyathembela kulo mfana lo, iminyaka isamvumela iminyaka yakhe yabo. So I would keep him, maybe loan him, but I don't know. I think okumgcina ku-Orlando Pirates ku-right yabo. I understand i-culture kangcono before simloan. I would keep uTalente Mbatha, I would keep uDlamini, I would keep uMiguel Team even though iminyaka isimhambela ne-contract yakhe. I would sell uNdabalisethwa Mdlondlo. Ngiyazi abaningi bavumelana nami, but uNdlondlo mina I would sell uNdlondlo bafethu, ayikabi. Makehleni Makhawula ngamgcina, Goodman Musele ngamdayisa, I would sell uGoodman Musele. uLebito is part of the defenders, I don't know why he's here. I would sell uKatleho uTladisa. uRaseboja, I think uRaseboja, I would keep uRaseboja. Yeah, na iminyaka isamvumela yabo. Azola Jobeni, I think I would keep him because Azola Jobeni usesimlone kaningi yabo. I feel like sekuyisikhathi sakhe la lesi right now, isikhathi sakhe kumele ayibonakalise because ucoach ubelieve kakhulu kubafana abancane yabo. Azola Jobeni ngiyabelievela kuyena. I would keep uPatrick Maswanganye, I would keep uMonapule Saleng obvious, I would keep uRelebuhile Mfukeng. Mase siza kwizi-forwards zethu yabo, kuyi-forwards zethu sino-Radiopane, uNkotha, uMabasa, uLepasa, uMakgopa noGilberto. I would keep uRadiopane yabo, even though ngakaze ngibone lutho kakhulu ngoRadiopane because last season wadlala, but last season wabulawa kakhulu ama-injuries ngosikhathi simlonele kwi-Cape Town Spurs. Umfana wangiyenzela udumo ngosikhathi esadlala kwi-Diski Challenge Orlando Pirates yabo. So ngisanalo ugqozu ngaye yabo, uyayideserve i-chance ukuthi ayibonakalise lapha a-challenge uMabasa, uLepasa benoMakgopa. I would keep uMohao Nkotha. uMohao Nkotha umdlali wethu simthembile kule nsuku naye. I would keep uMabasa. I think I would sell uLepasa because masubheke right now isikhala sikaLepasa siya kancane siyavaleka ku-Orlando Pirates. I would keep uMakgopa and I would keep uGilberto. I know most people ngeke bavumelane nami, but uGilberto bafethu umdlalo omusha lo osuka kwenye league yabo, nje osuka kwenye league uyadeserve ukuthi uku-adjusta kwi-league yala South Africa yabo, athi uku-adjusta ku-PSL. So I would keep uGilberto. Ibaphi-ke wena abadlali ongabakhipha or abadlali ongabasela ku-Orlando Pirates? Mina naba sengibashila bami, but into engiyithanda kakhulu nge-Orlando Pirates kule season le yabo, uma ubheka ama-ratings wethu, abadlali abadlala ngempela according to SofaScore rating, ngiyambona la Monapule Saleng number 1 kwabadlali abadlala ngempela ku-Orlando Pirates, kulandela uMfukeng, mase kulandela uNkotha yabo. Size kuma-goals ascore i-Orlando Pirates, Evidence Makgopa unama-goals ayi-4, Monapule Saleng alandele ngayi-2, kuze uNkotha ngayi-2. Mase siza kwi-assist, ma-assist uMfukeng unawo 3, uDlamini une1 mase kuthi uDeon Houghton nayo abe ne1. Yangijabulisa ukubona iOrlando Pirates isebenza kanje kule season le. So I hope bayaqhubeka lento le bayi reflect na kwi Champions League because siyoqala iChampions League lenyanga le.